Jesus could have stopped his friend Lazarus from dying. Instead, he waits in the town where he is before he finally heads over to Lazarus' village. When Jesus gets there, Lazarus' sisters, Mary and Martha, both accused him, "Lord, if you had been here, our brother would not have died." They knew that he had the power to stop Lazarus from dying. Instead of stopping him from dying, Jesus does something even more glorious. He tells them to move the gravestone away, and he calls out to Lazarus to come out of the tomb. Lazarus, who had already been dead for 4 days, walked out of the tomb wrapped in the grave clothes. Jesus shows his power over death by raising Lazarus back to life. Jesus could, if he wanted to, he could stop me from dying. But instead, Jesus will do something even more glorious. He will let me die unless he comes first on the last day, on Judgment Day. He'll let me die. But then when he returns, he will return and he will call all the dead back to life, calling all the dead from their graves. That's Jesus' power over death. And it's his power over death because he died on the cross to pay for our sins. And after dying, he rose again from the grave, showing his victory over death. Jesus lives, and because he lives, we live in him.